Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have some double dip powders to play with, and I am so excited to create a cozy fall look. So let's get started. Okay guys, so Double Dip sent me over their August collection. Yes, I know it's October. I just got around to using it. I had a bunch of videos that I had to film. So I'm sorry to you guys, and I'm sorry to Double Dip that this is coming out so late. But these powders are absolutely, they're chef's kiss. They are stunning. Today I will be using Miss Peachy Keen right here. And she's gorgeous. She is just this beautiful peach shade with some lovely glitter. Oh my god. I meant to say gold and glitter at the same time. Lovely gold glitter flecks. So what I have done is I took this and I added in some beautiful fall leaves and some more gold glitter, and it just created this wonderful fall look. So that is what we're going to be using today, but I do want to kind of just show you the rest of the girls. So here we go. This is, what is this? Bright Baby. So this is Bright Baby. She's a light baby blue, baby purple with some iridescent butterflies. So you'll notice most of these have butterflies. And then we have for you Lily Pad, which is a lovely purple glitter. And some iridescent purple butterflies. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And then this one is Polly, which is a bright pink, purple and pink butterflies with also some chunky glitter in there. Let me just hit a zoom on that baby. I swear I'm getting so used to this camera. So, all right. And then we have Pretty Cheeky, which is kind of like a peachy yellow color with pink, purple, yellow, glitter, and butterflies in there. Very, 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 very cute. And last but not least, I believe is Sweet Sable. It kind of lingers on this bluish sage color with some chunky glitter, and there are butterflies in there. I just didn't get any on this swatch stick, but there are some butterflies. So that is why I've chosen Miss Peachy Keen, because she does not have any butterflies in there. And then in my collection, I found this dark purple brown polygel that I'm going to be using with this. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this off, and I'm going to get set up to go ahead and do this. So I don't know, something weird happened with my Double Dip base. The brush got stiff. I had put it in the cleaner, so I'm just going to use my Macart dip liquids today. I need to figure out how to fix that. I don't know what's going on, so we'll work on that later. But anyway, so I'm going to do the ring finger, and I just start by applying a little bit of the dip liquid to my finger, and I try to make sure that I don't hit my cuticle. I'm going to use this rest right here. I need to act quickly because once you take the brush out, this glue can dry. So I'm actually going to start by just going right down the middle of the nail and a little bit of the end. So I kind of do this just to kind of help with the natural arch. And then I go ahead and I dip my finger into the dip liquid, and I kind of have to, I tilt it backwards, and I just let it sit there for a second. And you can't see what I'm doing, which is really annoying. And then I take it out. And so they tell you to wait 30 seconds before you brush it off. So that's what I'm going to do. And I just tap off the excess. This is a messy, messy job. But this is what we're looking like so far. Let me get my little brush. I'm just going to wait a couple seconds and then I'll brush it off. And then I do it again. All right, so I'm just going to gently brush off any excess. I feel like the first layer is very thin. You don't get much on there. So I'm going to go in for the second round. I wipe off the excess, and then I'm going to go about halfway up the nail again. Okay. And then I'm going to go and dip my finger in. And then I kind of just hold it there for a second, just to kind of let everything stick. And again, I will just tap off the excess like so. You can use your brush if you want to tap it that way. It doesn't really matter. And again, I will wait a few seconds until I brush off that excess amount. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cover the whole nail. And what I need to watch out for is the cuticle area. So I'm going really, really slow when I go in that area, just to make sure I don't get anything on my skin. And we can always come back and fill that area in if need be. So just trying to get all the sides and everything. And then I dip. Oh no. Okay. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll kind of just like push my finger in like that. And the nail is not too long, so you don't have to worry about that. If it were any longer, I think I would have a problem. All right, I'm gonna take it out. Ooh, baby, she looks pretty. Okay, at this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little bit of this glue on the nail so that I can stick down a leaf. So I just want like a little bit right there, and then I'll take my little picker upper tool. Still don't know what this thing is called, and just stick a leaf right. Oh my god, what is sticking to my finger? So I just stuck that leaf down right there. And then I think I might add another one up here. Do I know if this is the right way to do this? No, but this is the way I'm going to do it. Oh, there's a hair on my tool here. That's why it didn't work the first time. I'm going to go for one of these darker leaves. Get up there, man. Okay. Perfect. All right. I'll wait for this to dry and I'll dust off and I'll do another layer over this. I'm going to do one more round of dip and then I'm going to add some of this glitter in here, and I also have some gold leaf. And I may add one more leaf like right down there. So that's what we're going for. I want to make sure everything is like nice and saturated from when I go in there. So if I see any dry spots, I'm trying to just make sure they're nice and covered with the glue. And get up here in this cuticle area. I want to get as close as I can to the cuticle without like making a mess. Okay. I know my desk is a mess right now and it's kind of hard to focus on what I'm doing, but let's go ahead and get this puppy in here. So I hold her for like 3 seconds and then I'll take it out. Ooh, she looks beautiful. And then I'm going to tap off the excess. Okay, gorgeous. Oh my god, she looks stunning. Yes, our leaf did get covered up a little bit, which I'm kind of surprised because yesterday when I tested this out, they didn't get covered. So, all right, like I said, I'm just going to add one more down on the bottom. So I want a little bit of glue here, and I'm going to run this orange wood stick like around my cuticle just to make sure nothing is like up in there, you know? Okay. So I'm going to add a little glue. I'm going to move this out of the way. We don't need that right now. Just going to add a bit of glue down here and pick up another leaf. I just want like a small one, which I thought I saw over here before. It's not, they don't really vary in size much, but they do have some tiny ones. Just going to go right on the nail. I hope you can see that now. I know it's kind of hard to see. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to brush in some glitter. I might take some gold flake. You know what? I'm going to do this. I'm going to do the gold flake and the glitter after I file, and I'll top coat and then I'll throw that stuff in there as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on some of the activator so I can file this. And the activator also kind of helps to flatten some of these chunky glitters. So I really want to get in here and just saturate this nail at this point so that I can file it. And hopefully this guy will kind of flatten out a little bit. Somebody said, I was watching a video a while ago, and they said if you use some of the activator on it, it kind of helps it curl over. It doesn't really seem like it's doing that, but maybe I can, you know, kind of coax it into curling a little bit because I don't want to lose this guy. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to kind of hold something down so that it curls, kind of working a little bit. But anyways, so far this nail is done. I will file it and we'll be back to like top coat and everything like that. Now I'm going to move on, I think, to show you my thumb, which is going to be a polygel nail, and then we're going to sprinkle some of this dip powder on top. All right, so I have this brown polygel. It's a beautiful, almost like dark berry color. I feel like it goes really well with this, so that's what I'm going to use on my thumb. So I just squirt a little bit out on here. And and I'm basically just going to pat this out onto the thumb. Okay, so the first layer of Polygel is down. Oh, look at these colors together though. I feel like they just kind of work really well, you know? I don't know, maybe I'm crazy and they don't, but I feel like they do. So I'm just gonna do like another layer maybe because it's a little translucent still right now for my liking. And then I'll be back to show you what we're gonna do. Okay guys, so I forgot to tell you that I did clear cap this and then I just filed it a little bit. I'm not done filing completely. And then I applied the polygel to my pinky as well because these are going to be like plain nails with just glitter and some of the leaves on it. Okay guys, we're going to finish off this look by basically doing what I have here on my thumb on these two fingers. Yeah. So I found this gorgeous polish by Bellavina. I don't know what the name of it is, but it is just stunning, okay? It's this beautiful orange glitter, like perfect for Halloween, right? Perfect for fall season. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, and I found a glitter that really goes well with the rest of my nails. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to take this, and I'm going to kind of like ombre it on my index finger. So I'm going to put it about like 2/3 of the way up. As you can see, this nail is not like fully opaque at the tip. And that's because I was trying so hard to do like an ombre with the dip powder and it just wasn't working for me. Like, I don't know. So I decided to go ahead and do this and I thought it was absolutely lovely. So I'm just going to kind of pull this polish up and hopefully I can get this to focus here. Maybe I should move this out of the way so I'm not so in your face, you know? I'm basically just going to pull this polish up a little bit, and trust me, it doesn't need to like look perfect or anything. It can look as messy. It really doesn't matter because when you top coat it, it's just beautiful. So then we're going to dip into the glitter here, and I'm just picking up like random pieces on this liner brush, and I'm going to lay it into the gel polish. And then I kind of start placing some more pieces up here. And then we just sort of like move it around. Kind of like get some more pieces like up top. So it's really looking like a glitter ombre. And it just looks so beautiful. And that guy's a little too high for my liking. But it's okay to have like a couple pieces here and there. And that, so simple, that nail, it gonna look absolutely gorgeous. I am gonna take that little guy and just kind of move him down a bit because he's too high up there, but I love it. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna do the same thing to my pinky, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so simple, so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and cure this, and then I'll come back and top coat it on camera so you can see how beautiful it is. Okay, let's go ahead and top coat for you guys. So just check this out. It's so pretty. Ugh. Stunning. I swear, like, what I wanted to do was a lot more complicated, but I feel like since I simplified everything, I'm actually much more happy with the way that it looks now. So I can't complain. The middle fingers were already top coated because what I did was I just top coated them, buffed them, and then top coated them again just to get a nice flat surface. Some of our little butterflies, they did end up, not butterflies, oh my gosh, some of our leaves, you know, they got like filed away a little bit, but that's okay. So let me cure this. I'm gonna add some cuticle oil and I will come back with, you know, my final thoughts on everything. Okay guys, I actually really love the simplicity of this look and I'm glad I finally took it in that direction. And Miss Peachy Keen, oh, she came through for us, guys. I'll have the links for Double Dip down below. I believe most of these are still available on their website. I know for sure that Peachy Keen, I'm sorry, I don't know why I keep calling that. Pretty Cheeky is still there. Actually, no, Peachy Keen's the one I used. Pretty Cheeky is not. Anyways, I know it's still available. It's very versatile. Like this could be a beautiful summer shade, but you can also make it into a fall shade as well. Don't forget to check out my last video because guys, I have a giveaway going on. I'm giving away over 50 gel polishes, so as well as a carrying case. So if you want to enter to win, it's still going on. Please pop over on that video and watch for the rules on how to apply, or I don't know, join the giveaway. Be sure and stick around for next week. I'm going to be unboxing my Vetsy Halloween mystery box, so that should be fun. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys!